Meet the leopard gecko, the cutest reptile with ninja-like moves. With its vibrant spotted skin, big curious eyes, and that adorable smile, it's no wonder they're everyone's favorite. But here's what's wild. Leopard geckos store fat in their tails like a built-in snack pack for when food is scarce. And those tiny toes, they're non-sticky, unlike other geckos, so they elegantly walk instead of climbing walls. Plus, they communicate with little squeaks and chirps. Who knew a desert survivor could be this cute?